Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Makar Sankranti first of all everybody. There is another snowstorm is coming and that's we have to work, we have to do a lot of other things, so I have to prepare cleaning outside things around ये स्नोस्टॉर्म शायद यहाँ पे 1 से 2-3 इंचेस करेगा, लेकिन थोड़ा कंट्री साइड में मतलब थोड़ा अंदर की तरफ मे बी 1 फुट. तो ये सिनेरियो नेक्स्ट ये लाइक संडे नाइट टू मंडे ये स्नोस्टॉर्म आएगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे प्रिपेयर्डनेस बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये अभी वहाँ से शायद मोंटेना या शिकागो के वो साइड से ही इज़ कमिंग एंड इट्स ए ह्यूज स्नोस्टॉर्म. यहाँ पे बहुत वेदर्स आर फर्स्ट क्रिटिकल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो थोड़े से वीडियो में आपको दिखाता हूँ यहाँ पे कैसे डिस्कस किए जाते हैं, वेदर प्रिपेयर होते हैं. एंड ये स्नोस्टॉर्म यहाँ पे कितने बड़े होते हैं आपको बिलीव नहीं होगा. तो आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ एंड यू वॉच दिस. ये देखिए हाउ इट मूव्स. ब्लू इज स्नो, ग्रीन इज रेन एंड ये मिक्स है. यहाँ पे फिसलने के चांसेस रहते हैं, ट्रक्स दिस. So this is a big huge storm. I will show you a little bit how big is this. See, such a big. Now I will show you a little more. So we are getting something like I don't know, maybe so there's a big huge storm. I just show you a little animation how it's moving down, and then the low will hit and it will go up. So we are right here, Washington DC. So we are on the edge, maybe rainy side or snow side. This is heavy snow. It's maybe 1 or 2 feet of snow. Chicago will be missed here, but like this. See this whole United States. This is one part, and this whole from here to here is like one India. United States is very big. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाओगे तो ये पूरा एक इंडिया के बराबर होता है सिस्टम. And look at this how big massive storm. So people are prepared. अभी से ही I have to clean up my things and watch some videos, news which I took it in the morning, how this snowstorm will impact everybody. Okay, and on Sunday or Monday morning I will show you some snow, how much snow we got. Okay, so be prepared and enjoy next snowstorm.
As far north as Burlington, feeling like close to 30 below. The cold air is in place. You get this upper level strong storm, and this morning we've already seen snow flying in parts of Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota. It's going to keep diving south, and here's where it gets really messy. I think just northeast of Atlanta, you get a mix to ice. Some of that could be a 1/4 inch of ice taking down power lines and such. Timing wise, that's Sunday morning through Sunday night. It may start as snow for some folks along the coast, but Michael, it turns to rain. It's going to be the ice, and I think the impact to the south. Michael?
You stay home if you can and bundle up if you go out.
If it keeps that track. What we do know is a crippling ice storm Sunday down into the southeast. Atlanta, Greenville, Charlotte, Greensboro, Johnson, Charleston, all possible power outages, airport delays, and a mess in the roads. Significant snowfall from Sunday into Monday.
On Sunday and Monday, so we live here,
Charleston,
and it's gonna be messy again next storm. Everywhere. See, this is a report. This is how people are preparing, doing preparation. Look at this. The cold air from the north, warm air from the south, and
even if you don't get rain here, this is going to be a big, major impact storm. And again, if guys, we get a jog to the east about 30-40 miles, we could be talking snow along the I-95 corridor.
so locally, June 16 to 17, 2022, हम लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं. सो हमको शायद देखने को मिलेगा 2 से 4 इंचेस. मैंने लास्ट स्नोस्टॉर्म में बताया था 5 इंचेस, एंड तो वी विल स्टिल गेट टू 4 इंचेस. एज भी आप अंदर की तरफ जाओगे तो देखो 12 इंचेस. सो इट्स गोना बी रियली मैसी. इट्स अ बिग स्टॉर्म. लॉट ऑफ यहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें डिस्टर्ब हो जाती हैं, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, लॉजिस्टिक, एवरीथिंग. और ये ग्रीन में है कॉरिडोर, ये रेन की साइड में है, बट वी आर ऑन द एज. So this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so now you have an idea. Next snowstorm on 16, 17. So I will update you on that and see how accurate these models are. Enjoy.